Hello, welcome. This is John Peterman from flytying.eu. Today I'm going to show you to tie a very simple hitch fly for salmon fishing. You use these hitch flies when the water conditions is hot water and low water conditions, and salmon who has been in the river for a few weeks maybe. Sometimes they seem to can't resist this fly fishing in the surface. This is the new propeller fly hitch tubes, and I must be honest with you, I haven't tried these before because this is quite new. It comes in black and in clear. And whenever you fish hitch in the surface, you need nylon monoliters, of course, not in Danish. Forfang is liters in Danish. Anyways, these comes in 12 foot, 3.7 meters, and I advise you to use 0.35 millimeters. That's 6 kilos of breaking strength, and 0.38, it's 8 kilos of breaking strength. You can't use fluorocarbon because fluorocarbon is too heavy, and fluorocarbon will drag this fly under the surface, and that is not the purpose. Anyways, I start out with the tube, and I start with making a small hole for the leader to come out of. And I start this hole just a few millimeters down on the tube from where the wing starts, so right about here. And just a small hole goes in, and this is for your leader. And as you can see, this will drag, when your leader comes out of this hole, this will tend to drag your fly upwards to the surface. And these two wings will make sure that the fly will stay on top of the surface. I have a larger needle, and I'll make sure that when I come out to the fishing, this hole is big enough for me to easily get my leader in. Anyway, when I've done that, just the tube on the tube needle, and just a small amount of false hackle, and I use some kingfisher blue hackle feather here. Just make sure that the fibers are as even as possible. I just take about, let's say, about a good centimeter of hackle fibers and pull off from the stem, and this is how it looks like. And then make sure that they will be together, because that makes the fly a bit more good looking. Anyway, the feather fibers here, don't make them too long. Just make them about the same length as the wing on this tube. There you go. Cut off excess fibers here. There you go. And just a small drop of super glue. To make sure that these fibers will stay on the fly when you start fishing with it. Anyway, just turn the fly, and then ready for the wing. And I use some black fox. Move all the stiff guard hairs. Not all, but most of them. There you go. And then I use this toothbrush looking thing and see how much of the underfur I remove. And I can do it also at the tip of the hairs here. Yeah, and this is about it. And this can be a bit longer than the tube. And because of these wings, you can't, get a firm grip, so you just push the feathers down onto the wing or the tube. Okay, hello again. Besides cutting the thread, the memory card also ran out of space. So I just put my tying thread onto the fly again, and then a bit of super glue one more time, and oh, this is really going good. All right, let's see. Here we go. And now the fly is almost finished, but we just need a single strand of crystal flash. And we need a crystal flash fiber on both sides of the wing. Here we go, one side, and just pull it to the other side and tie it in. Here you go. As you might can see, now you have the crystal flash on both sides of the wing. Okay, and then I will just cover this crystal flash with the tying thread, and the fly is almost finished. Just a single whip finish here, a couple of them. I make 3 now. Here you go. And cut off the tying thread, and then a drop of super glue one more time to finish the fly. There you go. And then just cut the length of the crystal flash fibers here. You want them to be about the same length as the wing. There you go, the finished fly. Great for hitch fishing, or it's made for hitch fishing, nothing else actually. Okay, thanks for watching. Tune in on our webpage flytying.eu, and of course please remember to subscribe our YouTube channel as well, Daniel Holm, flytying.eu. Thanks for watching, have a great day and have a great fishing.